Look at him.
Look at him. Oh my God. Look at him. Oh wow.
What do you think, Daddy? Look at him.
Look at him. He's performing.
Whoa, he's an exorcist.
I'll go here.
Look at him. He's modeling.
Aren't you cool, buddy? Aren't you cool? Oh.
Look at him. Oh wow. Oh wow.
So I told you this was cool.
Yeah, he's really performing, isn't he?
He likes you guys.
Oh, there's his brother.
I was trying to entertain Addie, and he got entertained.
Look at him, Allie. He's
Think of that monkey. I think it's because you're
That'd
a
be the
monkey,
perfect-
Addie.